Today I am going to do the case note of Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee is actually a Parkinson patient, and at present she has problems with her bunion. So let's move to the letter. Today's date 11 October 2022. You are a Parkinson nurse specialist at Mentalist Hospital. One of your patient is Lee. Patient detail is being given: name Miss Bruce Lee. Date of birth 21st December 1971. Address is given. Social background is given that she's ex-boxer. She's married. And all these social backgrounds are not necessary in this particular letter. Now let's move to the next part, that is the writing task. In the writing task, using the information given in the case note, write a letter to Mr. Bruce Lipton, charge nurse at Laureate Hospital, informing him of Miss Lee's case and particular needs. Part of the letter. No alcohol, that means he doesn't consume any alcohol. He has a family history: father deceased, mother deceased, she had carcinoma. Medical history is being given: May 2014, excision of the melanoma on left leg. Prostate cancer, this is not important because we are informing about the bunion on on her leg. July 2014, mobility problem. He was referred to neurology clinic and Parkinson disease was diagnosed. Thereafter, Parkinson's nurse specialist discussed long-term planning. In the year 2014 to 2022, annual checkups of neurology and Parkinson's nurse specialist were initiated. Now, patient has been managing well. During her annual review, she told the general practitioner regarding her symptoms. Therefore, the GP organized non-motor symptoms questionnaire and it was provided to her, and she was asked to bring her on her next review. Special monitoring of bowel continence and sleep exercise classes had been commenced. She joined local group of carers for Parkinson's sufferers. She was referred for falls prevention program because as she was suffering from Parkinson disease, there was possibility of fall. She specified wishes for end of life care. This is very important and you need to mention there. Her ongoing treatment medication has been mentioned, and in 2021 there is UTI and it was treated successfully with antibiotics. This need not be mentioned because we are informing about the bunion and all these have been fully treated, so these need not be mentioned. On 11 October 2022, she told the general practitioner regarding her painful bunion on right foot which had affected her mobility. So she was referred to orthopedic consultant where she was scheduled for bunionectomy for January 1, 2023. On 11 October 2022, she told the Parkinson nurse during her annual review regarding her operation, and she was given oral as well as written information regarding the medication regime. So it has to be given at the set time. Check availability of transdermal patches of patients because she will be nil by mouth. And the writing task, as I have stated before, expand the relevant note into complete sentences. Do not use note form, use letter format. And you are writing to Mr. Bruce Lipton, charge nurse at Laureate Hospital, informing him of Miss Lee's case and particular needs. I believe you have understood the writing task very well. Now we will move to the answer. 11 October 2022, Mr. Bruce Lipton, charge nurse, Laureate Hospital. Dear Mr. Lipton, reference Miss Bruce Lee. Date of birth has been given. Now let's move to the introduction paragraph. Miss Bruce Lee requires pre-operative management for her scheduled bunionectomy on 1 January 2023. She has right foot bunion. She is being referred to your facility today. So she is being referred to the facility today for bunionectomy. So it has been stated in the first paragraph itself. First the purpose of writing the letter and then the disease condition or the complaint. Now let's move to the second paragraph, second body paragraph. Miss Lee has been under a nursing care for prolonged period as she has had Parkinson's disease since July 2014. She has commenced on Cinemet 25 by 100 mg, one tablet thrice a day. On 11 October 2022, she presented to hospital with the complaint of a painful right foot bunion which had affected her ambulation. Therefore, she was referred to your facility. Ms. Lee has been given oral and written instruction regarding following of medication regime during hospitalization. She has been encouraged to do exercise and was referred to a fall prevention program. In addition, she had underwent an excision of melanoma from the left leg. Of note, she joined local group of carers for Parkinson's sufferers. Now let's move to the last paragraph. It would be appreciated if you maintain a time schedule for monitoring her medications. Kindly ensure that pre-operatively she will be kept nil by mouth. Therefore, she requires application of transdermal patches. Please note special monitoring of bowel continence and sleep exercise classes have been commenced. It is worthy to note that she notified of end of life care. I believe you have understood the letter. If you liked the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for now.